In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create URL links for document folders in Hubspot. If you're managing files and folders in Hubspot and need a quick and efficient way to share them, this is the perfect guide for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to locate your files, generate a shareable URL, and distribute it wherever it's needed. Plus, if you're new to HubSpot, you'll find this process intuitive and easy to follow. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. To get started, head over to HubSpot and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the tools and options you need to manage your content. Now, locate the navigation menu and look for the content option. Click on it, and it will expand to show a submenu with additional tools. From there, select Files. This section is your go-to place for managing all your uploaded documents, images, and other media. Once you're in the Files section, the first thing you'll want to do is check if the folder or file you need is already uploaded. If you see it there, you're good to go. But just in case it's not, don't worry. HubSpot makes it simple to upload. Look for the Upload Files button and give it a click. This will open a window where you can browse your local device and select the documents or folders you want to add. Once uploaded, your files will be ready for sharing. Next, find the specific file you want to create a URL for. Once you've located it, look for the Details option next to the file name and click on it. This will open a detailed view of the file, showing all the relevant information and options. In the Details section, you'll see the file URL. This is the direct link to your file. To copy it, simply click on the URL and it will automatically be added to your clipboard. This is much faster and more reliable than manually searching for the file later. Now that you have the URL, you can use it in various ways. Share it via email, embed it on a web page, or distribute it through any other communication channel that works for your needs. The flexibility of having a direct link means you can make the file easily accessible to your team or audience without any extra hassle. And that's how you create URL links for document folders in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can quickly manage and share files, making collaboration and distribution a breeze. If you have any questions about this process or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.